Sticking to healthy habits is not an overnight thing at all. I thought I lived a healthy lifestyle and was wrong. So here I am on a new health journey and bring you guys all along. There's no snoozing the alarm. We're getting up and we're headed to a workout. So I put my focus setting on and I'm getting up so I can make the bed. Look at these cute slippers, by the way. Love them. We're making the bed first because, as always, when you have one task complete, it just makes you feel good. I mean, who really wants to leave their room and come back to it seeing it dirty? Honestly, like, let me know. If you like to see that, let me know. Let's get dressed for the gym. You guys know me. I'm not like a try-hard. I just wear the comfiest thing ever, hoodie always, and putting my hair up in a bun and brushing my teeth. I like to get dressed first before I go brush my teeth because I'm nice and warm before walking around my house, and it's like usually freezing, obviously, in the morning. I rinse my eyes with cool water to just fully wake up. Let's get this workout in. Happy Friday. We made it to the gym. Comment down below when you go to the gym if you're like a morning person or you like to work out at night. I'm really interested in knowing when you guys prefer going because I love morning workouts. We're getting into back and shoulders. My goal for when I'm working out upper body is to mainly tone up. So I love these for shoulders. You can also do these with dumbbells, but we've been liking this machine. And for every workout that we do 4 sets, and with reps, I usually try to go to 12. And as I, increase my weight, I do progressive overload, and then I'll drop down my reps to maybe 8 to 10. And I love this machine because you can use it for back or for chest, so I just do those, which I think those are the best for honestly toning up your back. And then we're doing some shoulder presses. These have become probably one of my favorites. And I know these are rows, but I don't know the specific names, but this is for back. I actually really like this movement. This is kind of like something we've been doing more. Sometimes we were doing rows with dumbbells. It just really depends. And then some more shoulder raises. And then we ended off back with doing these pull downs on this machine, which is different from the normal pull downs we used to do, but I like these as well. And when it comes to your core, because I don't do a lot of ab workouts at all, this is the only one we did this day and I'm showing you guys, which I love. These are great for your obliques, but I tighten my core during every exercise I do, every lifting. You will see such a difference if you do that. Workout is complete. That's the first healthy habit of the day complete. I always shower as soon as I get home from the gym because with all sweat, anything like that, especially with your face, if you're sweating and stuff, you want to just wash it right away. Don't wait. So let's take a shower. I'm going to show you the rest of my skincare too, but in the shower I just use the Cetaphil Daily Facial Cleanser. I love that I can turn this on like a little lamp situation. It's a vibe. I'm gonna do my morning skincare. So right after the shower, I will, if I have any spots, I usually do this at night, but you could do it 2 times a day, especially if you have to put SPF after. But this is the Polish Choice Azelaic Acid, and I'll just put it on any like new spots or something that's irritating me, and I have one down here. And then I'll just go in with my moisturizer on top. I'm not a skincare expert at all. We're in the process of healing my skin. And for me, a lot of it is with what I eat and fixing my gut health, which is why I'm like filming this video to show like some new healthy habits with obviously my diet. I like to let my moisturizer dry for a little. I need to refill this. Last step is SPF. I just recently got this, the UV Clear, and it's for acne prone skin, hyperpigmentation, rosacea. I've been keeping up with my healthy habit of drinking lots of water a day thanks to my Stanley, and another habit I've been doing, which is part of my gut healing journey, is drinking celery juice every morning on an empty stomach before I have breakfast. And I've been trying to get into drinking kombucha here and there because it has probiotics, which is good for also healing your gut. I like this flavor because it tastes like I'm drinking a ginger shot, but just a never-ending ginger shot, and I just do my Wordle of the day while I drink that to just keep me busy. On to my newest favorite breakfast. We have some brown rice cakes, peanut butter, blueberries, hemp seeds, cinnamon, and a drizzle of honey. I love this breakfast. It's filling, it's yummy, it's like really, really good. I was surprised that I actually like blueberries. I never tried them before this, and blueberries are packed with antioxidants and also anti-inflammatory, which is good for me since I need to heal my gut and all the inflammation in my body from, going untreated with celiac. And another healthy habit that you guys should also get into is not drinking coffee on an empty stomach. I never would drink it on an empty stomach, but sometimes I would drink it during my meal, which is still like not a lot of food was in my system. So I now drink it after breakfast. It is also good for, balancing out your cortisol levels. So definitely stop drinking it on an empty stomach if you do. Tell me it's not a vibe in here. Coffee, which I did a caramel today. It is to-do list time. I've been doing my to-do list on my digital planner that I have on my iPad. I'll link it below. I'm obsessed with it and I've been using it probably consistently now for 2 weeks. Planning out my day daily helps me to not get overwhelmed and not get stressed because I can visually see everything, see your top priorities, to-do list. It also has a meal plan and hour by hour if you like to do like time blocking. I'm on my second one of these. This is 40 ounces. I'm on my second one. I try to drink at least between 2 and 3, but we started the second one. I want to thank BetterHelp for sponsoring this video. Mental health is so important and you never know what somebody's going through. Everybody goes through something, whether they don't share it, whether they don't look like they do. Trust me, behind closed doors, you don't know what people are going through. That's why it's so important to like spread kindness. And just because videos online look perfect or this or that, like you never know what somebody's really going through. Like they choose to show what they share, and it's just so important to always remember that you never know what is going on behind closed doors. And if you're somebody who is struggling with your mental health, you're going through a rough patch because things happen, it's not always the same, then I want to introduce you to BetterHelp. So BetterHelp is the world's largest therapy service and it is 100% online. And what's so amazing is they have a network of over 25,000 licensed and experienced therapists to help you with a wide range of issues. Like I said, everyone goes through different things, so it's nice to have somebody that can cater to your specific needs. And to get started, you pretty much just answer a bunch of questions based off of your needs and your preferences in therapy, and that way BetterHelp can match you with the right therapist from their network, and then you can talk to your therapist however you feel comfortable, whether that's chat, whether that's text, whether that's a phone call or a video call. You can message your therapist at any time and schedule live sessions whenever it's most convenient for you. If your therapist is not the right fit for you, which happens and that's totally okay, you can change therapists at no additional cost. You'll still get the same professionalism and quality that you expect from in-office therapy, but with a therapist that is essentially custom picked for you, more flexible scheduling, and at a more affordable price. You can get 10% off of your first month at betterhelp.com/BriannaFornes. That's BetterHelp, HELP.com/BriannaFornes to get you 10% off of your first month. And I'll also have it linked down below in the description. I'm having my healthy snack of the day, which I've again been obsessed with these. Carrots and hummus, so good. And then for lunch I have a breakfast taco situation, so just some scrambled eggs with spinach and a corn soft tortilla because those are gluten-free obviously, so that's like my little breakfast taco but for lunch. I haven't been having eggs for breakfast because of my new current breakfast obsession, but having this for lunch I like to switch things up, switch the order up. I know before I was just having eggs every single morning and I think it's best to just switch things up. And then I'm having some chamomile tea, which is chamomile mint, which I've just started having this recently and discovering it. It's also another good tea, also really good for your skin, I've read. I just finished uploading my YouTube video. I just had a busy day of work, and some things that I do during my work day, as you guys saw, is do the focus setting on my phone so I just don't get distracted and I can really focus on each task at hand. And you can customize the focus on your iPhone and make it all cute and aesthetic just the way that I did. And I'm finishing up my chamomile mint tea before I head out for the night. I'm going to be hanging out with my boyfriend and some of our friends, and we pretty much have to really narrow down our options when it comes to food now. So yeah, we're gonna go to get dinner and chill. I've been loving to have, like I said, tea every single day because one, is good for you, and I'm working on healing my gut and healing my insides. Obviously with celiac disease and it going untreated for so long, some stuff obviously got affected. And also chamomile and the teas that I drink are also good for your skin, and trying to also heal that. Cheers to drinking tea and doing everything. And my boyfriend's calling me because he's on his way. See you guys in the car. Stopped at Target to get some stuff so I can keep when I go over, and this is a new cracker that I'm trying. Peanut butter. Okay, it might not look the most appetizing, but this is dinner. So it's brown rice, lentils, grilled chicken, lemon potatoes, and like a lemon olive oil drizzle on top. And then I got a little hummus on the side. And yeah, super basic, simple. It's gluten-free and everything on the menu is well labeled, like gluten-free, vegan, all that type of stuff. So it's so good. It is 2:07 a.m. I know this is a healthy lifestyle, healthy routine for you guys, but being realistic and relatable, I guess. The weekends I do hang out and I have a life, and I'm not going to sleep at 10 o'clock. And you know, it's the weekend. I let my body sleep in and it's all hunky-dory. But I still, no matter how late I get home, I do my full night routine. So right now with my new Hatch Restorer, I didn't unbox it here. I did unboxing on TikTok, but I woke up to it this morning, as you guys saw. Obsessed. So I'm turning on the unwind setting now. I've set it up all on my phone. So this is unwind, then it's gonna do the sleep mode, which is like a calm ocean sound while I sleep, and it's timed so that when it's timed, so after 20 minutes it'll turn off and hopefully I'm asleep by then. So yeah, I'm obsessed, and I still do everything no matter how late. I'll do my skincare because I have to. I cannot let my skin, you know, mess up anymore because I just want it to heal. I'm gonna fully heal my body. So do your skincare when you get home, you know, just it takes such little time and effort. Like, you had all the effort to go hang out, have the same effort and do your hygiene stuff when you get home. Shower. You will never catch me coming home late. I've come home later than this and I will shower. I will not get into my bed unless I showered. Like, I'm not gonna just put on my PJs. Absolutely not.